What is the capital city of Italy, known for its ancient ruins and art? Rome, Milan, Venice, Naples. The correct answer is Rome. The city of Lübeck is located in which European country? Germany, Denmark, Austria, Switzerland. The correct answer is Germany. In psychology, what does the first D in ADHD stand for? Deficit, disorder, dysfunction, disability. The correct answer is deficit. Which novel by Miguel de Cervantes tells of a knight battling windmills? Don Quixote, The Knight's Tale, El Cid, The Count of Monte Cristo. The correct answer is Don Quixote. Which ancient Egyptian text contained spells and rituals for the deceased? The pyramid texts, the coffin texts, the Book of the Dead, the sacred text. The correct answer is the Book of the Dead. What was Louis Armstrong's first band called? The Hot Five, the Red Onion Jazz Babies, the Creole Jazz Band, the New Orleans Rhythm Kings. The correct answer is the Red Onion Jazz Babies. According to some myths, what special ability did Ladin's heads possess? Breathe fire, petrify people with a gaze, speak prophesize, regenerate when severed. The correct answer is speak prophesize. Which actress won the Best Actress Oscar for Silver Linings Playbook? Jennifer Lawrence, Kate Blanchett, Sandra Bullock, Anne Hathaway. The correct answer is Jennifer Lawrence. What did Adam Smith's invisible hand describe? Government intervention, natural market forces, labor unions, price controls. The correct answer is natural market forces. What is the average lifespan of a black-footed cat in the wild? 3 to 5 years, 10 to 12 years, 15 to 20 years, 25 to 30 years. The correct answer is 3 to 5 years. Which of these musical instruments was played by Antonio Vivaldi, the famous Baroque composer? Piano, violin, flute, cello. The correct answer is violin. Kingston is the capital city of which Caribbean country? Jamaica, Guyana, Kiribati, Kenya. The correct answer is Jamaica. Which U.S. state has the nickname the Great Lakes State? Michigan, Ohio, Arizona, Utah. The correct answer is Michigan. Who wrote the epic poem The Odyssey? Homer, Virgil, Plato, Herodotus. The correct answer is Homer. Who was the sun god in ancient Egyptian mythology? Ra, Horus, Osiris, Anubis. The correct answer is Ra. Who designed the Guggenheim Museum in Bilbao, Spain? I.M. Pei, Richard Meyer, Renzo Piano, Frank Gehry. The correct answer is Frank Gehry. Which film won Best Picture at the 2018 Academy Awards? 3 Billboards Outside Ebbing, Missouri. The Shape of Water. Lady Bird. Get Out. The correct answer is The Shape of Water. In which region is Bigfoot primarily reported to be seen? North America, Europe, Asia, Australia. The correct answer is North America. What is the atomic number of cadmium? 46, 48, 50, 52. The correct answer is 48. The Gulf Stream, a major warm ocean current, originates in which part of the Atlantic Ocean? Caribbean Sea, Mediterranean Sea, Labrador Sea, Sargasso Sea. The correct answer is Sargasso Sea. What is the capital city of Japan? Tokyo, Osaka, Kyoto, Hiroshima. The correct answer is Tokyo. What is the title of the autobiography written by musician Keith Richards? Life. Extraordinary, Ordinary People. Stories I Only Tell My Friends. So Far, So Good. The correct answer is Life. Who killed Adonis in Greek mythology? Zeus, Apollo, Mars, Demeter. The correct answer is Mars. What is the term for a change in a DNA sequence? Replication, translation, transcription, mutation. The correct answer is mutation. The Hagia Sophia Mosque is known for its massive dome. What is the approximate diameter of the dome? 30 meters, 40 meters, 50 meters, 60 meters. The correct answer is 50 meters. Which famous emerald is housed in the New York Museum of Natural History? Chalk Emerald, Gachala Emerald, Duke of Devonshire Emerald, Mogul Emerald. The correct answer is Duke of Devonshire Emerald. Which Swiss city is closest to the Eiger Mountain? Zurich, Geneva, Bern, Lucerne. The correct answer is Bern. The Indian Ocean is bordered by which continents? Africa, Asia, and Australia. North America and South America. Europe and Africa. Asia and Europe. The correct answer is Africa, Asia, and Australia. The Pulitzer Prize for Fiction was previously known as Pulitzer Prize for Novel, Pulitzer Prize for Prose, Pulitzer Prize for Literature. It has always been the same. The correct answer is Pulitzer Prize for Novel. What is an odachi? A Japanese sword, a Korean sword, a Chinese sword, a Thai sword. The correct answer is a Japanese sword.